Hi, this is my video reflection for Module 2. Okay, so recently I have installed the HBO application. I didn't have any problems installing that application because the way we have the App Store set up, it's pretty easy to just hit install. You don't usually have to go through a lot of steps, so I don't really find this to be a very difficult process. Before this assignment, I had not ever needed to make a PDF file, but it was pretty easy to make one. I mean, it's fairly simple instructions. I think that PDFs are useful in the classroom because they're a way to distribute information to both students and parents, and it probably saves quite a bit of paper because rather than having to print out flyers to send home, you can just send it directly to the parent, or rather than having to print off reading for your class to distribute to the students where they could lose the reading and then you'd have to print more, you can just send it directly to the students. And then if they want to, because some people don't like to read off of a screen, it for one gives me headaches. If the student wants to, it's pretty easy to print off a PDF file. You don't have to go through a lot of rigmarole to just hit print on the file. So it's pretty accessible for all types of people. Like if you prefer to read off of a screen, you have that option, but you also have the option to print, which I find is more useful than reading off of a screen because I like to write on the things I read. Anyways, I have used a webcam before and uploaded it to a hosting site such as YouTube, as you'll see when you go to my channel. It was also for an education class, so pretty much the same deal, just record a video, upload it to YouTube, and also do the same settings, so this wasn't a very difficult assignment, I think. Okay, so I think that video recordings can be useful in the classroom because if there's ever a day where the students need specialized instruction that I don't feel a substitute could comfortably give, then I could make a recording of myself giving the lecture, or I could make a recording of myself going over a document or going through a slideshow and explaining it slide by slide. So I think that that does have a purpose in the classroom, but I don't think that it's a real thing that you could replace actual having an instructor in the classroom. I think it makes for a good plan B, but I don't think that I would ever really rely on this for my instruction just because it's not really my style. Alright, so that's all I really have to say. Thank you.